Okay, boys and girls everywhere, parents, children, everyone who loves a learning activity. This is Mrs. D again coming to you with another couple of learning activities that you can do with the game of dominoes. I don't really know how to play dominoes. I played it maybe once when I was a child, but I have instructions for you that I am going to give you. First, with real dominoes. Of course, you can have the dominoes on the table face down, of course. You have a child to pick two dominoes, turn them over, and they have to tell you, this is a math game. They have to tell you how much both dominoes equal added together. They can do it quickly, older children, but the smaller children, you can have them to count each domino, each piece of domino, and give you how many they count. Or if they know how to add, you can have them to add as well and give you the answer. If they get it correct, they get two more. When they miss, they have to put those dominoes back, and the next player, it's their turn. So 2 to 4 people can play this game for a little fun math activity. Also, there's a domino game online that you can print off, sitewords.com. My printer was going low on ink, so it didn't print the outside lines, so I had to trace them. They were very light. So I had to get creative, like we educators have to do sometimes. So I had to draw my lines in darker so you can see the lines. But as you can see, there is 2 sets of words on each piece. So as you would cut them out, I'm just going to do one so you can see how the game is played, the sight word bingo. And it's not just saying the words, it's actually playing the game almost just like the regular game of bingo, but you have sight words on each piece instead of the dots for numbers. So I have my 2 pieces cut out, so you see it just looks like a domino piece. But what they're going to do is you're going to have 10 words per set of dominoes, okay? Now, if you wanted to print this out, you're going to have your domino cards, a printer, of course, cardstock paper, or regular paper. This is regular 8.5 by 11 white paper. So the goal of Sight Words Domino is to build a string of domino cards by matching a word on your domino to one of the words on the domino pad. So this game can be played with 2 to 4 players as well. You're going to shuffle your domino cards and then deal them all out to the players. So no card is going to be left out. It's okay if the players don't have exactly the same number of cards. The first player selects one of their cards and puts it face up on the plain surface, which can be a table or anything you have, on the floor even. Because this is a sight word dominoes, this player must read aloud the 2 words on the card. If they don't know a word or can't say the word in less than 10 seconds, then you're going to pause the play for a few seconds to do a quick correction and help them to learn the word. Then the second player takes their turn. They can scan their own cards for a word that matches a playable word on the already played domino card. So then, when they find one, they add it to the playing field, reading both words on their card aloud. Now, because our focus is on reading and practicing sight words, we are not that concerned with official dominoes rules. So if there is no play at the end of the domino pad, it's totally okay to play a domino from the middle of the pad, creating a new branch. The game finishes when all of the domino cards have been played. There is no particular winner in this version of the game. Just have fun and practice reading those sight words. All right? So for instance, if the first player shows the card that says goes at the top and then it has the word don't at the bottom, he would put his card down. If he reads it, or if he doesn't read it, if he can't read it, he would leave it there, and the next player is their turn. So they look through their hand of cards to see if they have a domino that matches one of the words that's already down. I have one, and it has the word right at the top and the word don't as well at the bottom. So what I would do is place it on the table. If you can see this, it's going to be like a domino. And they will put both of the words that are the same touching each other. So if you have it on the table laying down, it should be just like that, where both words don't and don't touch each other. And then you will go from there until you build your domino path. And that is called sight word domino. So that's two little activities, a reading and a math activity, fun activity that the children can do. And this game can go on and on, and as long as you want. Just something to keep their minds turning, and knowledgeable. So this has been another Mrs. D learning moment. I hope you've enjoyed it. And please share, like, and continue learning. Until next time, boys and girls, have an awesome day. Bye-bye now.